afternoon, everyone. This is Sonic here. All right, we will be talking about week number 6 from 5th of February 2024 to 9th of February 2024. Okay, so I hope you can see my screen and it is recorded as well. So let's take a look. Okay, let's talk about the news that we will be having for today, for this week rather. All right. So last week we have a very big news such as Fed fund rate, all this kind of stuff, right? So that the market is kind of, I think, going into the bit slowdown mode, in my opinion. Not only we had a like rate decision, we also have like very big company earning and stuff like that, right? I'm sure you have aware of that. So I think this week we might be a little bit slow down or just like tone down a little bit, in my opinion. Okay, so this on the what I expecting this week. And in terms of news and the data releases, you can see from the right screen, we will be having some rate decision on Tuesday. Apart from that, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, there will be some normal items only. All right. So I think, like I said, this week gonna be, I think, pretty toned down, in my opinion. Okay, this number one. Okay, number two, when you take a look on the left screen, you can see that this is a weekly our chart, right? You can see the money flow, which is this black color line, right? It have kind of going to the sideway at the moment. You can see here, right? It is really going into sideway. So from what I can think of, you see market have been really going up. Even they having sideways for the past 2 to 3 weeks, right? But the price having sort of going up higher. So I think the market will be about to turn into the sideway action as well. All right. So the market may not be as bullish as previously. Okay. I mean, doesn't mean that they are going to go down immediately, but the market was likely to go into sideways action, in my opinion. So we cannot be so much chasing those very bullish item. All right. So this is on the money flow. All right. Let's take a look on the individual items, right? Okay, let's start with the British pound. Okay, I'm expecting some bearish action on the British pound. Fortunately, unfortunately, we have seen some bearish movement already on Monday already, which is kind of like actually not really a good thing, right? Because Monday is supposed to be not really move much because there wasn't anything at all on Monday at the moment, right? So I mean, overall, it stayed quite bearish. So what I can think of is that I think the market will swing around, but as long as these strong resistance level is not broken, we can say around like a 1.285, this kind of region. As long as this level is not so much broken, right? I think we will still have the bearish tendency, in my opinion. All right. So you can see the market just swinging down from this very conscious zone. So I think if they were to really manage to break on the strong, sort of like a decisive manner, I think the market will be likely to go lower. So I'm expecting some bearishness on this item at this moment. All right. Maybe you may not, since it's Monday, maybe you may not want to chase and sell it down, but you can wait it at the higher level, let it come back up a little bit, then you can short it down with the proper price action. All right. So I'm a little bit bearish on this guy. And actually, Euro also same. All right. Euro also same. Hang on. Euro also the same. All right, Euro also same. You see, market is already lowering. Okay, the only thing that I don't like about right now is that you see Monday, I don't want the market to move quite significantly, and they are already touching the support level. So there is also some tendency of the market swinging up higher before they can go back lower. So market may not go immediately to the downward side. Let's say this is scenario number one and scenario number two. I think scenario number two might be the little bit of a proper consideration, in my opinion. So instead of selling immediately, maybe you may want to wait it out a little bit more. But anyway, I think the selling, expecting the downtrend to continue is a very likely case scenario here. All right. So this guy also pretty bearish to me as of this week. Okay. And let's take a look on the Aussie. Aussie should be quite slightly similar. All right. Aussie is a bit bouncing off from the support level, which is the right things to do so. I think Aussie, what they will do is if they will continuously do so, I think the market next support level will be here. So if you want to play the Aussie, I think you may want to wait around this region for a potential sell, in my opinion. For example, like somewhere around 0.662, this kind of level will be a good level for you to enter a short trade from. Okay. You don't have to like go in all, but you can just wait for around the candle to come here, then let it weaken a bit, then you short it down from there. Okay, why? Because instead of selling here, your stop loss will be very wide. If you sell here, your stop loss can be tight, and your potential reward is a bit higher as well. Okay, so I will be of like cautiously bearish. I will wait it out for higher level for better possible entry. Okay, New Zealand, same thing. The market is kind of pulling right back up. The same thing. They are being supported. So I think if you want to sell away from this region, example, 0.618 will be a right one in my opinion. 0.78, 0.62. Okay, so same thing. Wait and sell will be the better choice for these guys. All right. So let me move on to gold here. Okay, gold. Last week, from the way that I look at it, they are really trying very hard to break this 2050, 2060 level, right? You can see here, they really try a few times actually. And I think this level may not be broken up that easily. All right. So I will say even if they were to retest one more time, I think we're likely to go lower first, in my opinion. Okay, if I see any bullish information or anything, I will let you guys know. But I think for this week, I don't really think they will be managed to break this level or even higher. So same thing, go. If you think that it's a little bit too late ready to sell, up to you. But I think stay a little bit short bias, in my opinion. All right. I don't think this 206070 region will be broken up immediately. All right. So this is going to be a very tough resisting factor. Okay. So wait and sell will be the better choice here. All right. Another one is silver. Same thing. Silver is the same thing. If you look at it here, if you look at it in the subjective manner, we are really at this kind of, like what we call it, the head and shoulder, this kind of thing going on here. All right. So we are on the neckline at this moment. All right. Neckline at this moment. So let's say this were to break down seriously and strongly, we can expect this kind of amount movement, right? We are talking about 22.5 to example 25.5. That means a $3 move down. So currently we are 22. So we are talking somewhere around, it can go down to $18, this kind of stuff, if it is play out well in that matters. All right. So I will say a little bit standing on the bias on the sell side. All right. Let's see how the market really behave. Try not to buy at the moment, unless this setup is really start to become invalid. So that means we need the price to really break this level, which is 23.3. Sorry, 23.3. All right. So just to conclude, as long as silver is stay below 23.3, I think it's better to stay on the sell side. Okay, if the market break this 23.3 strongly, then we need to reconsider our bias. Are we clear on this? Okay, so thank you very much. So this one, I'm standing on the slightly bearish mode. Okay, let's move on. US dollar Canadian. Of course, the rest are bearish against US dollar. So US dollar pairs are kind of getting bullish as well. You can see the market have been really supporting this level pretty strongly. We are talking about 1.335 region. I think market will stay in that 1.335 will be a good support level for quite some time. So I'm expecting market will likely to go to retest 1.35 in my opinion. All right, so it's kind of a little bit bullish on that. Okay, then this is my another so-called a favorite. All right. US dollar CHF. Okay, US dollar CHF also kind of like bullish, right? I'm rooting for this to be go up higher because you can see the market is pretty nice. Price action is very strong on Friday. You can see here. So I'm expecting market will likely to go up higher and higher. The nearest level that it should goes to is around 0.872 or 875 region. So it's pretty bullish to me. All right. So this is my so-called first recommended pair for this week. Okay, I will be watching it closely. In fact, I already have a position in it ready. So I will be like, if possible, I will add position and stuff like that. All right. Okay, let's move on to the next one, US dollar JPY. Sorry, hang on. US dollar JPY is slightly similar to US dollar CHF, but I feel that they have already moved up quite a lot already, right? So maybe they may be a little bit limited to the upside. So if you ask me to compare US dollar JPY and US dollar CHF, which one look more bullish and better, I will say US dollar CHF. Okay. So this one I will just slightly bullish and let's see how it's go. All right. The market is stay last Friday candle was pretty strongly bullish. So I think market will likely do go up higher. All right. So there is the okay. I would like to summarize all the forex item. As you can see, everything against US dollar is kind of weak at this moment. More or less, and everything from the US dollar point of view is a little bit strong at this moment. So my thinking in this week, if let's say there's no changes along the week, right? I think this will be my general bias. Okay, so more or less US dollar strength. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, US market. Okay, US market have been kind of like I said on this flow. I am not really expecting very strong bullish mode in this week. Okay, so we might see some sort of like swing back or pull back, this kind of like a range bound reaction in my opinion. So I'm kind of like a neutral per se. Okay, I won't be surprised the market go back to retest around 38.1, 38K, this kind of level. Okay, so this kind of neutral or a little bit even weak in my opinion. Okay, let the market play out, because too early to say. So I will monitor it closely. All right, another one is Hong Kong. Okay, Hong Kong last 2 weeks ago, we have a very good run to the upside. I managed to capture this move, and I noticed that the market, come to this resistance level. Then I say, okay, market maybe take some bearish pressure coming in. So I take my profit. So market just pull it right back down, and I'm waiting for the bullish candle to appear. I think today they are about to appear, in my opinion. And moreover, you can see that where we are right now, I mean, where the price being supported right now is this congested zone that they have been so-called retest on. So I think market will be starting to find some support ready, and market will likely to drift up higher from here. Okay, this is my theory and this is my expectation. Okay, so we need to see 1 or 2 more days to see whether it's work out or not, but I will be looking quite actively on the bullish side, in my opinion. Okay, hopefully market start to turn. This pin bar, right? This 2 pin bar that we have here, hopefully the will be the supporting the price, and market will move up from there. Okay, so I am looking rather more on the bullish tone at the moment. Hopefully today we have a bullish candle, and you have a next day bullish, and all the way they can go back up to retest here. Okay, so that's my idea and that's my expectation. Okay, another one is German index. Okay, German index is basically the same as basically the same as Dow Jones. All right, I'm expecting market to be a little bit sideways or even weak, in my opinion. All right, so I think the market will likely to go back down, in my opinion, at least do some retest, maybe go to here, 16.8, this kind of region. Okay, I'm not really so strongly bullish on this, but I was just monitoring closely. All right, so neutral or slightly bearish will be the right words here. Okay, then let's talk about crude oil. Okay, crude oil, I have a long, quite a while back. Then I sold it a few days. Okay, one of the reasons that I sold it, because I think I sold it somewhere around here. The reason because we have a very bearish looking candle. So okay lah, just take profit first, right? So it did turn out to be quite a right move, right? You can see the market, seems to be carry on a little bit further. So I will want to wait for one more bullish candle to appear. Without it, I'm not going to long at all. I mean, we have to wait, right? The price is not really agreeing with our direction. And so I will just, wait it out, and I'm not in the hurry. Okay, I repeat, I'm not in the hurry to long at all. Okay, so just wait it out, wait for a turn. All right. Okay, so another one is BTC. Okay, another one is BTC. All right. Okay, BTC, what is happening right now is that you can see, wait a while. Let it wait a while. All right, BTC, they have been really in the very big range kind of condition. Okay, we have a very strong volume and the price action on this day. Let me confirm the date. The date was on 12th of January. So since then, market have really go lower, then they kind of recover also. So I think what they are trying to do is they are trying to do some sort of retest for strength, in my opinion. All right. So because of this downward move, a lot of people are thinking that, hey, market is going to go lower, then they sell it down, right? So, I mean, even if they want to go down lower, they don't want everybody on the same boat, right? So they want to shake these people out first, in my opinion. So what they can do is that they can go up to this level. We are talking about 45 or even 46, okay, 45-ish level. Okay, so this level will be a very important level that they might retest before they go back lower, in my opinion. All right, so we are not really so hurried into short right now. I think we will at those distinctive swing level will be the better choice, in my opinion. All right, so I mean, let the market breathe, man. All right, 45K, I think will be a good support. Let the market go there to retest first. Okay, we are not in the hurry to short, and we are monitoring at this moment. If we want to sell it down, I think we will wait around 45K. Will be the better choice. Okay. All right. This on the BitCoin. Okay. So guys, thank you very much for listening. All right. Just to have a quick recap. Okay. Overall this week, I'm expecting some bullish case scenario on US dollars and some bearish case scenario on those pair against US dollars, such as maybe like gold and silver, including as well. All right. In terms of stock market, excluding Hong Kong and China, they are totally different from the rest of the world. So for the index such as like US market or German DAX, I expect market will likely to go into the sideway or even get a little bit lower, in my opinion. All right, they are not really that bearish yet, but there might be some sideway action we might be, we might be seeing this week. Okay, guys, this video will be uploaded in our YouTube as well. So thank you very much. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. So you can subscribe to my channel. And you can please do me a favor. You can share it to your friend as well. So thank you very much. I will do my best to cover as much as possible on those items. And if possible, I will try to make it like a once in every 2 days or every day if possible, if there's any changes. Okay. Thank you very much. And have a great days ahead. Bye for now.